denomination are called Mu-Islams, shortly Muslims, and equivalently, here we can say it. Islam recognizes that humankind has free choice in whether to obey or disobey God. But ultimately, we will be held accountable to God in the next life for the choices that we make in this life. God sent prophets to teach mankind how to worship Him, starting with Adam alayhi salam, including Nuh alayhi salam, Ibrahim alayhi salam, Musa alayhi salam, Isa alayhi salam, and the last of the messengers, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Islamic position is that all of these prophets came with the same message, that there is no deity worthy of worship except the one true God, Allah. Islam recognizes the close relationship between the body and soul, whereas the body originates from the earth and has a divine period of life on this earth. The soul originates from God and does not die. Islam encourages the individual to focus on keeping the soul healthy through the remembrance, obedience, and worship of God. Islam teaches that it is through the doing of good deeds and seeking the pleasure of God that souls find true happiness and peace. It is in this context that the word Islam derived from the root word salam, or peace. Now, after knowing what Islam is, we can start to answer the question, why Islam? And the simple answer that comes to me is, Islam gives me the purpose of life. People everywhere are asking the question, what is the purpose of life? What are we here in this world? And where are we going to go after we die? You might be amazed to learn that Islam is providing a clear and concise answers for this question. Ma'asyiral mu'minin, ma'asyiral muslimin rahimakumullah. Suatu hari di dalam sebuah rumah tangga terjadi pertengkaran yang sengit antara suami istri. Sang suami berkata kepada istrinya dengan kemarahan yang luar biasa seraya berkata, "Sungguh, aku akan menjadikan kamu menderita dan celaka." Dengan suara lirih istrinya menjawab, "Kamu tidak akan pernah bisa mencelakakanku, sebagaimana kamu tidak bisa membahagiakanku." Dengan nada heran sang suami balik bertanya, "Mengapa tidak bisa?" Istrinya menjawab dengan tegas dan yakin, "Sekiranya kebahagiaan itu hanya berkaitan dengan uang belanja dan perhiasan, niscaya kamu bisa menghentikannya. Akan tetapi kebahagiaan itu hanya ada pada suatu yang dimana kamu dan semua manusia tidak akan pernah menguasainya. Dan dengarkan baik-baik, sesungguhnya kebahagiaanku ada dalam imanku, sementara imanku ada dalam relung hatiku, dan hatiku hanya ada dalam genggaman rohku." Ma'asyiral muslimin rahimakumullah. Makna